you ready? Okay. And we are ready. We have our pajamas for this train ride. And Zion, say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready
Yeah.
to go on a train ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who do you think will be there?
It's Santa.
Santa? Who else?
With everybody.
Everybody.
With my friends.
Oh, we're about to find out. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
We are going to car number 5. Hi. Are you happy? You excited? You want to go to the lower level or upper level? Where?
Yeah.
The top or the down?
At the top.
The top.
Ah, another Elfie.
Oh yeah. Elf on the shelfie.
Yeah, I can't see his eyes.
I know.
It's because it's too high. Oh, I can't get it. It's because it's too high. It's because I'm gonna break it.
Break it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Clap, clap,
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
clap, clap.
Show me your letter. Nice.
Hi, little boy.
Hi. I'm playing hide and seek.
Show me what you got. I'm gonna eat it.
Remember when you were a baby? When we were in Washington? There was real snow there. It was so cold. And I didn't like it.
Oh, you did? Oh. And I was in your tummy?
Yeah, and then you came out of my tummy and then you were a baby and you go, wow.
Can we go now?
Say hi.
High five! Whoa, what's on your shirt? Are these singers? Are they singing Christmas songs? Do you like to sing Christmas songs? I always say the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Do you know who's gonna be on the train? Santa's gonna be on the train.
Oh
Isn't that
my.
cool? I know him. I know Santa. Do you want to take a picture together? Stand next to me right here. Ready? Look right there.
Cheese.
Say cookie.
Cookies. Good job.
High five.
High five.
Good job.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Did you see the elf? That was cool. You saw the elf? Oh my gosh. That's such a cool elf.
We're gonna look.
They're all going down. Up.
Hi.
1, 2, 3, and up. Up.
Zion,
Do that to me.
you wanna say hi to the Grinch?
Yeah.
Okay, go. You're not gonna be scared? Go. Run. Run. Say hi, Grinch. Hi, Mr. Grinch. Look. Look, go. Go. Say hi.
Banana, yeah. Oh, this way.
Cheese.
Camera.
Smile. Good job. You're not scared? No? Okay. Go. We're back.
Back with the GoPro.
With the baby.
Time to take a
Say
selfie.
cheese.
1 second.
Oh, you're not scared, Zaya?
Very good.
No, huh?
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Zion, say hi to the camera.
Hi. Alright, I want my step.
Mateo, are you excited?
Wait a minute, no. Upper level, like the baby level?
Who's ready?
Me. Hold on. Are you going fast?
I don't know.
Everybody! I see you! I see you guys! Wait. Is Auntie Malia with us? No. Oh. Auntie Malia's in that train.
No, she's in Arizona. We're still in California. Choo-choo. Stop.
Who's making friends?
That's what we were
You're excited. Zion, are you excited?
High five! I have a coloring sheet.
Thank you.
Coloring sheet or no? I also have a train for you.
You got a train?
Oopsie, I'm like all over the place. Sorry, guys. And I also have a train for you.
A train. You gotta say thank you, okay? You want a train? Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Elsa is on the train. And she's gonna sing for you. Let it go, let it go. You know the song?
Yeah.
Okay, she likes it. You gotta sing it, okay? Sing it.
Let it go, let it go.
Elsa and Anna.
Do you like high fives? Say hi.
You wanna take a video with them? There.
Do you want to take a picture with us? Yeah, stand in the middle.
Wave, okay? Wave, because it's a video. Say hi. Yay! He can clap. He can clap.
I see you.
You can clap? Can you clap for me? Can you clap for Santa?
Say.
Clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap. Can you clap?
If you're
so
happy
close.
and you know it, clap your
What else
hands.
do we like?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
No, we like carrots.
If you're happy
That's what
and you know it. No clapping? That's okay. That's okay. High five.
Who's here? Who's here? Oh my goodness, he's the real one.
Hi, how are you?
He said, how are you? No, he's asking you.
I got you. What do you want for Christmas? A brontosaurus? A what?
Monster truck?
Monster truck? Well, we're gonna have to see what we can do, okay?
Do you mind taking a picture?
Hi! 5, 6, 7, 8. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would sing.
Like that iPhone, just that one.
The other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio, but we don't say things like that. Like TikTok. Ho, 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 Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Way!
Oh, what fun!
In a one-horse open sleigh.
Now, before we go, we have one more thing to share with you all.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I like that song.
Happy New Year.
All right, my friends, thank you all so much. Thank you, my friends. All right.
Bye bye. One more song. High five.
Ho, ho, ho. Where would we go?
We finished our train ride with Santa.
How was it, Zion?
How was it?
I like outside.
It was kind of whack.
It was whack. Yeah, last year's train ride was better. Yeah. Never again. It was an experience though.
I want
Bye bye.
to go to the store.